The arch massager is designed to relieve the injured tissue in your foot and promote healing throughout the plantar fascia. Repairing your foot. Think of this tool as your own at-home Graston therapy or soft tissue mobilization. It goes where your golf ball or lacrosse ball can't, allowing you to target those hard-to-reach spots where plantar fasciitis scar tissue lives. Begin by unfolding each of the legs from the bottom. Make sure they are fully extended. These legs have a soft base, so they'll stick to the floor and not move around during use. When you're done using it, you can fold the legs back under the top of the massager until you hear them click into place, allowing for easy storage. To use the massager, place a quarter-sized amount of balm, lotion, or other lubricant in your palm and lather it across the bottom of your foot, making sure to cover your heel and along the plantar fascia. Start by placing your heel or the inside of your arch, whichever is affected, on the lower of the two mounds. As you get accustomed to using the arch massager, you can progress to the higher mound or using both. If you're feeling pain in your arch, try gliding your foot back and forth. For heel pain, try doing shorter strokes, as well as adding a swivel motion from side to side to target the smaller areas where you feel pain. Remember that in general, some discomfort is normal, but stop if you have any significant pain. Be sure to follow the specific instructions prescribed to you in your rehab program. Once you progress to maintenance mode of the program, you can modify when and how often you use the arch massager.